Here is this viral app called LiveStatus. How does it work? So you can just add a widget to your home screen, long press any empty area of the home screen to enter jiggle mode, tap the plus button on the top left corner and select LiveStatus. So yeah, that's basically what you can do here. Let's just set it up. So yeah, then you can just tap and hold and then app start to jiggle, and then you can just search widgets. It's like LiveStatus, and then you can just search for that and add LiveStatus widget from here. So something like it. And then yeah, then you just have that. Then you just added LiveStatus widget. Then you can just open it, and then you can just tap continue. You can allow notifications. You can give access to your camera. You can draw, you can send text, and then yeah, basically you can add or search your friends. You can see messages. You can, yes, that's basically that. Okay, probably it's only supported in US or something like it. So what this app is about? This is pretty cool idea actually. So you have this app here, LiveStatus, share your life. It's the first app that fully integrates iOS 16 widget features into messaging. On LiveStatus, you can send all types of messages, including text, photos, emoji status, and your drawing straight to your friend's lock and home screen. When your friends see your updates on screens, they can open the widget and send their message back to your lock and phone screens. So this app works while with home screen widgets, which are available on iPhone from iOS 13, or lock screen, which are available from iOS 16. So make sure to update to the latest version. And then basically you can send this kind of messages, either photos or just messages, to your friends, to your home screen, to your lock screen. Some people might say it's just like, you know, you trying to like reinvent all these like messaging apps which already you can send messages, but these apps is about widgets and home screens and lock screens. So you don't need to go to Messenger app, log into your account, open the app, open the chat. Here you instantly see that message on the screen, either home screen or your lock screen when your phone is locked, and you instantly see that message from your friends or family. So that's like super fast, and a lot of users actually like this new vibe with all these like lock screen widgets and home screen widgets and all of that. So yeah, definitely give it a try. It's still probably it's just in the early stages, this app, and then I just want to send it to someone. Choose your status, and then I want to send you, and then for example I can just send like this, and then it should be shown on widget. So I'll just show you. So then you will just be seeing this message like this. And then also you can send not just text, but you can send all the other stuff. You can create group. So yeah, that's what you can do. You can write, you can draw. And send it to someone as well. So something like that. And then these images will appear on your widgets, on your home screen or on the lock screen. So this app kind of combines two worlds. So yeah, pretty cool, because like if you want to send drawings, you can use Noted app. If you want to send cameras to home screen widgets, you can use Locket widget. But yeah, this app kind of combines all these features, and it also works with lock widgets. Hope that is helpful. There are all these settings. You can change your name, you can upload your profile picture, you can see widget setting, account and security. You can easily delete your account in case you're concerned about your private data. So something like it. Hope that is helpful.